Let's go to Sandler's Kitchen. How to make Yucca / Kuppa Biryani. I'm going to make Yucca Biryani or Kuppa Biryani. I got some beef bone to make Kuppa Biryani. Let's go to Sandler's Kitchen how to make Yucca / Kuppa Biryani. Meat is getting washed. Meat bone. No, beef bone is getting washed. Lemon juice 4 to 5 times, washed it and drain it. I'm adding some beef fat to the biryani. That's yummy. Washed and clean, ready to go in the cooker. Make beef curry to make. This is ready to go in the cooker, pressure cooker. Beef bone curry for making Kuppa Biryani. I got 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, organic. Adding 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Let it crack. Green chili, one onion slice, handful of crushed garlic, full of crushed ginger. Everything together, let it cook. Adding some curry leaf. Adding 3 sliced tomatoes. Half tablespoon of turmeric powder, one tablespoon of red chili powder, one tablespoon of black pepper powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder, mix everything together, 1 tablespoon of garam masala or meat masala, adding salt to taste. Adding the meat, washed bone to the masala mix. Mixing everything together. All the masalas and meat bone, beef, meat bone for Kuppa biryani or Yucca biryani. Closing the lid. Adding the meat to the pressure cooker. The yucca to cook. Water for yucca to cook or Kuppa to cook. Let it boil. Adding some salt. Adding the yucca to the boiling water. Adding Kuppa to the boiling water. Adding half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything together. Checking the yucca or Kuppa cook. Looks like it's almost cooked. Ready to add the ingredients. The meat is ready to open up. Taking the meat. Looks yummy, yummy. Look at this. Ready to go inside the Kuppa or yucca. I got 1 cup of coconut, 2 stems of curry leaf, 3 green chilies, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. And salt to taste. Added some more garlic to crush it, make it to paste for the yucca mix. In the yucca, it's cooked. That's enough. Going to strain. All the yuccas are drained, Kuppa is drained. The pot. Adding all the crushed coconut mix to the yucca Kuppa mix. Mix it. Mix everything together. Going to add some meat, masala, meat bone. Adding the meat bone to the Kuppa yucca, making Kuppa biryani. The meat bone. Ready to mix. Look at the biryani. Yucca biryani. The Kuppa biryani is ready. Ready to yum yum. Kuppa biryani, yucca biryani. Look at this.